In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history in the Amazon app. We will walk through clearing your search history and your browsing history so you can control what the app remembers. First, open the Amazon Shopping app on your phone. When the app loads, you should see the familiar home screen with the search bar across the top and different product sections below. If the app asks you to sign in, make sure you are logged into the account whose history you want to manage, because the history is stored per account, not per device. Now tap the search bar at the very top of the screen. The keyboard appears, and just below the bar you will see a list of your recent searches, usually with the most recent at the top. These might be product names, brands, or categories you looked up earlier. Wait a moment for your recent searches to appear. On slower connections, this list can take a second or two to load, so do not worry if it is empty for a brief moment. Once the list shows, each search term will appear on its own line, with a small X icon on the right side. Next, tap the X next to a search term to remove it. As soon as you tap, that single search disappears from the list, and there is no extra confirmation message. If you accidentally remove the wrong term, the only way to get it back is to search for it again, which will add it to your history once more. Repeat that for each search you want to delete. Work down the list, tapping the X beside any search you no longer want stored. You can leave useful searches in place if you like, since removing items is completely selective here. With your search history handled, open the Amazon app again if you are not already in it. Make sure you are still signed in because browsing history is also tied to your account. Tap the profile icon, which looks like a person, usually along the bottom of the screen. This opens your account area, where you see options like your orders, your lists, and your account settings. If you do not see a profile label, the person icon serves the same purpose. From here, tap Browsing History. On some versions, you might need to tap your account first, then Browsing History. When it opens, you will see a scrollable list of items you recently viewed, each with its image, title, and price, arranged in order from newest to oldest. To remove one item, tap Remove from View beneath it. The product card fades out or disappears from the list immediately, which tells you it has been hidden from your browsing history for this account. To clear everything at once, tap the gear icon or the option called Manage History. Then select Remove All Items from View and confirm when the app asks. After you confirm, the list turns empty, and a short note may mention that there are no items in your browsing history. You can also turn browsing history off here to stop Amazon from saving items you view in the future. When this switch is off, new product pages you visit no longer appear in this history list until you turn it back on. So in this video, you cleared Amazon search history and browsing history and even stopped new items from being saved. If that helped tidy up your Amazon app, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Amazon tips.